Hello everyone, I'm Zilla and welcome to my channel. I'm sure you all know what this video is about because I'm sure you've all seen my thumbnail. So today we're going to be doing a Chanel unboxing and I'm so excited to share all my Chanel purchases with you guys. But before I get into this video, I'd just like to say welcome to all my returning subscribers and also to all my new subscribers. And if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking for fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zilla. Before I get into this video, I thought I'd just share this with you all. I'll show you these earrings that I'm wearing. They're from Forever New. They cost $17.99 Australian dollars. And this necklace, which I just love, it's from my husband. This necklace is from Angus and Court. Something that I love about shopping at Chanel is when they give you a free gift. So this is what I got. Chanel, we are pleased to offer you the latest edition of 31 Rue Cambon, the Chanel magazine. I was just so happy to receive this magazine. So I'll just give you a quick look inside. Won't waste too much time. And I also received another free gift, and I hope you all don't mind that I'm recording from this spot. It seems to be very bright here, so I decided to sit here and record my videos. But if you guys don't like it, if it's too glary, please just tell me in the comments and I'll try and find a different spot. It's really beautiful. It's going to make a great coffee table book. This is a free gift. I'll unbox it later. So this is the Chanel Tweed eyeshadow, the limited edition one that everybody is just raving about. So I had to have it. And this is the cover. I actually bought it because I love this cover. And every eyeshadow is actually covered. The tweed cover actually matches the color of the eyeshadow inside. And I'm sorry I cannot pronounce the names of these eyeshadows. And it's got the little CC inside, engraved inside. Maybe I'll turn it inside out. But that's what the inside looks like. How adorable is that little cover? And I can tell you that this is definitely not going to be used by me. And like I said, this is the number 4 tweed, something brun et rose, limited edition. Now I don't know how to pronounce that, so sorry if I've pronounced it incorrectly. And this is the eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is the eyeshadow. It's got a mirror inside, and this is what it looks like on the outside. Everything's reflecting in the mirror, so I don't really want that. And that's what the eyeshadow looks like. It's got the 2 brushes, and it's got the 2 brushes inside there, and that's the colors. Sorry, but everything is reflecting on this mirror and that's not what I want to show you all. So that's what this eyeshadow looks like. And to be quite honest with you, I'm not really an eyeshadow person. And when I bought this eyeshadow, the sales associate actually tried it on me. And you know what, to be quite honest with you, for $140, that's what the palette cost me. I am not impressed. It's not very highly pigmented, and I don't know a lot about eyeshadow, but I can tell you for sure that you couldn't really see it on me. It's definitely an okay everyday makeup look, but the eyeshadow I find is just not pigmented, and it didn't really show up on my skin tone. And I've mainly seen it on dark skin, on fairer skin tones. I've not seen this eyeshadow on anybody with a deeper or darker skin tone like mine. It's very hard to see it, but the cover for the eyeshadow has the 2 C's on it. That's the other eyeshadow, exactly the same packaging as the other one, and this one is the number 3 Tweed for, look, I cannot pronounce that, F-A-U-V-E. So that's what this one is, exactly the same like the other ones, packaged the same. And something I've bought that I've had before is this lip balm from Chanel. Now my other one is finished, and I can definitely say that this is a great lip balm, and it's also a really good Christmas present for people that like luxury, for the luxury lovers. This lip balm was worth the money. It was good. I really like this lip balm, so therefore I decided to buy another one. And as you can see, it's written at the back, Chanel's written at the back. Very hard to see that, but that's also something that I bought. And I bought the 2 eyeshadows, this lip balm, I bought the Chanel number 5, 35 mils eau de parfum. I've never used the Chanel number 5 before, and I believe, according to some people, that it's on the most hated perfume. I think I watched an Anna Bay video, one of her videos, where she rated the different perfumes, and the Chanel number 5 was the most hated perfume. But I think with the Chanel number 5, it's grown on me, and I think when I initially smelled this perfume, I didn't like it. I just thought it was too strong, and I think you associate it with an older woman. But hey, if you don't like it, that's okay. We all like different fragrances, but the Chanel number 5 definitely had to become part of my collection. Okay, let's just open it quickly, and I'm not gonna spray it because I definitely don't want to use this, but I don't like having lots of perfumes. I believe that you should just have your signature scent that you use, and when you meet people, they know that it's you because of your smell. And I know I have somebody, it's actually not a friend, she's more like an acquaintance. Whenever I meet her, she's wearing Red Door and something else. Please do not skunk people. You got to wear your perfume sparingly. People mustn't be able to smell you from far, because apparently it's bad manners, and I really don't like it, especially when they hug you and they skunk you with the perfume because it's so strong. I just don't like it. But I know, that having a signature smell is really, really good. But not least, let's look at this free gift, and I was so excited when I got this free gift. I didn't want to unbox it on camera and waste a lot of time. That's how it came packaged. And sorry if this video is not flowing smoothly, because it's been a long time since I've recorded a video. And by the way, if you haven't watched my car reveal video, please go and watch that video. I'll really appreciate it. So it's a pouch, a Chanel pouch with a little zipper there, and it's got a little, at the bottom it kind of expands, and yeah, it's like a cloth, kind of a cloth. That's what it looks like inside. You can't really see it nicely, sorry, but yeah, it's just sort of like cloth inside. what I'm reading at the moment. I've heard so much about this book, so I've decided to read it. I bought it on Amazon. It arrived last week Friday, and I've only started reading it today. So I think this pouch, besides it's like a material, like a, can I say canvas? What is good about this pouch is that it can be used as, like, I've just put my book in there. So I like that I can actually put my book in this pouch. So if I was going anywhere, I could put my book in this pouch to protect it, and yeah, and use it for cosmetics or makeup. But that's what I thought of as soon as I got this pouch. I thought it would be great to carry my book around in this pouch. So has anybody else read this book? If you've read this book, please tell me what your thoughts are, and I probably will be, maybe I'll think about doing a review of this book. I was just wondering, before I end this video, I was just wondering if anybody else has got this book. Do they give this book to you as a free gift? And by the way, I'm in Perth, Western Australia, and they told me that this is a free gift. So I'm just wondering if anybody else got the pouch. Apparently I'm a VIP, so they gave me that pouch. But yeah, I don't know if they gave it to everybody else, but the lady told me that they give it to VIPs. Anyway, we've come to the end of another video, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zilla.